Alright, today we are going to be working on a DCC install in a, this is an IHC Mogul. This is for a buddy of mine. And we're going to be putting in TCS WOWSound. This is going to be the WSK BAC2 kit, which has everything you need. It's got the WOWSound motherboard, the speaker, and pretty much everything else that we need, and the decoder as well, obviously. So, excuse the mess of the desk at this point. Everything's just so hectic right now, and I haven't had a chance to clean off the DCC workbench here. So, this does have Keep Alive in it, so where this one's just it's a 260. It's not really going to like some of the whatchamacallit there, the frogs on the engines if you don't have them powered. So definitely going to need it in this situation. So this one does have a NCE decoder that's already in it, but it's been jessified, and so he's not the greatest at soldering. So the decoder ended up getting damaged. No big deal, we'll fix it, and then we'll put some sound in it while we're at it. So we'll put that in our little spare hopper car there. I see the motor leads are pretty well shot on that. We're probably going to have to add some wiring onto this because these things are pretty much shot. So that's the headlight. Power pickup. Does this pick up power from here too? I think to be safe.